Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I am going to be showing you how to pick up stitches from the underarm. Okay, I did create a playlist how to knit this shrug Bolero puff sleeves. Okay, on the tutorial, what I did is I just wanted to show you here. I went back and forth and I sewed the underarm, and I didn't like how it looked like when I was wet blocking it, steam blocking it. As you can see, can you see this part? I didn't feel comfortable. So what I did is I picked up stitches and I went around and around to create this look. And no matter what you do when you sew it up, I tried everything. And in the tutorial, I showed you how to sew it up. Okay, it looks good, but here, because of the gap, you can see it doesn't look good. Okay, so I fixed this one. I'm going to fix this one as well. Okay, this part just irritated me. Just wanted to show you. Okay, so I already did one of the sleeves on this one. See how nice it looks? Just flat. Just love it. So I'm going to do the same thing. I frogged it and I was picking up stitches. I accidentally picked up the one that I had the knot with. So it happens. What can we do, right? So I'm going to fix this. So 8 stitches, 8 or 7, I'm going to pick up stitches. And I'm going to get rid of 2 from here, 1 and 1 here. Okay, I already have a tutorial on several tutorials how to do the underarm. But I'll show it again on this particular playlist that I created. So just click the playlist and you can watch, you can do the beautiful, doesn't this look nice? It's super fluffy, puffy. It's Angora rabbit. This is ivory, this is white. You can see the difference. Okay, so I'm going to pick up stitches to do that. So 1 here, 1 here, and then just checking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I don't want to give out too much gap. Okay, forgot to tie the yarn. Okay, let me just tie this yarn. I'm doing 3 strands. I'm knitting with 3 strands. This is Angora rabbit yarn. Again. I tried doing the wet block. For some reason, it's not felting. When I try to felt, I don't know why. It just comes out. So it's better to tie it and secure it. Okay, so I have 1 stitch here. Okay, so 1 stitch here. I'll pick up another stitch here. And then I'll pick this stitch 3. Okay, here's a stitch that got loose. Here we go. So I'm just going to fix this. So this would be 4. Okay, and this one is 5. I would highly recommend to getting a crochet hook to fix these kind of problems. So 2, 4, 5. This would be 6. Okay, here's another knit stitch. 7. Okay, this is loose somewhere. Let's find that. It looks like that strand didn't knit, and it does felt when you don't want it to felt. This what happens. It's felting. Okay. Let me get a needle. Unfortunately, the strand is between. I don't know how that happened. Let's see if we can fix it. Here we go. Okay, and then I'm gonna grab another one somewhere here. Okay, I'll have to knit this one as well. Try to fix this one. Yeah, I don't like that this is right here. Or maybe it's here. The problem is you see one strand is just staring right there. Okay, I think it's here. Here we go. I don't know how this happened. It looks like the strand is in between. Yeah. Okay. And I just need to grab something here. I don't want to grab this one. So what I'll do is I'll go between and ta-da. Okay. So I'm going to move these stitches here. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So I'm just gonna grab my other needle. I had to grab a small needle to pick up the stitches because it does get tight. Okay, so oops, lost that one. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we're gonna knit these two together. To do that, so I'm going to put this here and then knit these two together, okay? And I will pull this knot on the back. See, still there's a gap. Okay. What I can do is I can do the crisscross to fix that gap. Let me see if I can do it now. See? You can close that gap like this. Okay, and I'm just going to continue knitting. So this is how you pick up stitches. And when I come here, I will get rid of this stitch. And if there's a gap again, it looks like there's going to be a gap. What I'll do is I will do crisscross again. And then when I knit it up, it's this, I'm just going to continue knitting as I did on the tutorial that I showed. And this is how it looks, see? It's just perfect. So I just wanted to share you this. I want it nice and fit nice, comfortably. I don't want, you know, when you wear it, when the customer wears it, I don't want it to give me this detail, which I don't like. On the Angora, it's a little bit difficult, but on the bamboo, you can see it totally. So I'm going to fix this one as well. See, it gives me this gap here, which I don't like. Try to fix it. Here it's okay, but it's just right here. That doesn't look good. And this one's okay. This one's okay. Doesn't have that puffy thing underneath. Yeah. So I just wanted to share how you can pick up stitches and knit around. We're just going to knit around and around to give this gorgeous look. Yeah, so just wanted to share. And almost done with my order, because this is a commissioned order. Yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button. So every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. You guys take care. Happy knitting. Bye-bye.